Hello everyone, so today I have a few little bits that I got from YY Kawaii. Love YY Kawaii, and I got another package and I just wanted to show you what I got inside. First things first, I got this, which is not showing up well on the camera. It is one of the, how do you pronounce it? Puella Madoka Magica, an anime that I have only just started watching, and when this came up, it was on sale. I think it was something like £6 or something. But yeah, I knew that I had to have it. So these are the characters that you can get. I love the art style on this anime. It's really nice. I don't know if I can actually open it. There we go. Obviously, you get the little candy. And then, oh my god, this is beautiful. Throw that in the bin. But yeah, wow. That's actually prettier than I thought it was. There it is. Look at that. She's sitting on crystal. I love that. That's beautiful. Yes, like that a lot. So there's that. What else have we got? We have another Astolfo thing because I love Astolfo. It is a pin badge. It's like a weird rectangular pin badge. It's pretty cool though. It's not very well made. It's bobbling in the middle. It's a bit weird, but it's Astolfo, therefore I'm fine with it. Look at how nice that is. I love that design. He's got his crown on. He's looking beautiful. That'll go nicely on my little Astolfo Ita bag. Then obviously another thing I got is Eevee, because evolutions. I'm an idiot, I do apologise. But yeah, I got some more Eevee socks. These ones are Sleeping Eevee. Beautifuls. Gorgeous. I think they're like £5 or something. I love them. They're gorgeous. And then finally, I got this, which is, I always can't pronounce his name. I want to say Ramuda, but I think in Japanese it's pronounced Ramda, I think. But yeah, it's this. It is like a little Nezoberry kind of thing. I have a big Astolfo one of these, but this one has a little hanger on it, so you can hang it from your bag, or I might put it in my car actually. But he's got his little suit on. His outfit is adorable. This, oh, I just love it. that's so pretty. Yeah, and that's everything I got from YY Kawaii this delivery. If you ever see anything you want me to do a review on that I've done a haul of, or a closer look or anything, please let me know. And yeah, I will see you all again very, very soon. Adios.